The topic we are going to discuss about is gases, and the subtopic is kinetic molecular theory of gases. Now let's take a look about the history of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Bernoulli put forward kinetic molecular theory of gases और उस kinetic molecular theory से क्लासियस ने kinetic equation ड्राइव की और gas laws reduce किए. Maxwell gave the law of distribution of velocities, जबकि Boltzmann studied the distribution of energies among gas molecules. The postulates of KMT. Every gas consists of a large number of very small particles, जिन्हें हम molecules कहते हैं, and while noble gases जितनी भी वो monoatomic होती हैं. So here you can see chlorine, carbon monoxide, and here are the noble gases जो कि monoatomic हैं. The molecules of a gas move haphazardly, colliding among themselves and with the walls of the container and change their direction. Molecules जो हैं gas के वो haphazardly move करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ collide करते हैं और कंटेनर की वॉल के साथ collide करते हुए pressure exert करते हैं. Next, the pressure exerted by the gas is due to collisions of its molecules with the walls of the container. ये हम पहले देख चुके हैं कि जो gas molecules हैं वो haphazardly move करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ collide करते हैं और कंटेनर की walls के साथ collide करते हुए pressure apply करते हैं. ये collisions जो है वो must be elastic, perfectly elastic होनी चाहिए. Perfectly elastic collision क्या होती है? जिसपे momentum और energy जो है वो conserve रहती है. The next postulate is the molecules of a gas are widely separated from each other. Molecules of a gas have no forces of attraction for each other. ये एक faulty assumption है कि जो molecules हैं gas के उनमें जो forces of attraction है वो नहीं होती और जो actual volume है molecules का वो vessel की निस्बत बहुत negligible होता है. The next postulate is the motion imparted to the molecules by gravity is negligible as compared to the effect of continued collision between them. Molecules under the influence of gravity भी move करते हैं, but उसका effect इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता जितना molecules पे आपस में जो collisions होती हैं उनकी वजह से उनकी जो movement produce होती है उनका ज़्यादा effect होता है. So जो movement collision की वजह से produce होती है वो take over कर लेती है उस movement को जो gravity के under influence होती है. The average kinetic energy of the gas molecules varies directly as the absolute temperature of the gas. जितना ज़्यादा आप temperature बढ़ाते जाएंगे उतनी ज़्यादा उनकी जो kinetic energy है वो ज़्यादा होती जाएगी. Here we have some mathematical relations. PV equals to 1 over 3 mnc square. यहाँ पे P is pressure, V is volume, M is the mass of one molecule of a gas, N is the number of molecules of a gas, while C square is mean square velocity. Here we have an expression जो कि Maxwell ने दिया था for the velocities of the gases, and here is C RMS is equal to 3 RT over M, where root mean square velocity, M for the molar mass and T for the temperature, जबकि R जो है वो जनरल का constant है. तो रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी के लिए अगर हमें कोई भी फार्मूला यूज करना है तो we will use this under root 3 RT over M. Let's discuss a question. A gas initially at 27 degrees Celsius is heated up to 327 degrees Celsius. Its average kinetic energy will be double, 4 times, 300 times, or 327 times. And the correct option is doubled. If we see its solution, T1 was 27 degrees Celsius. Kelvin में convert करेंगे it would be 300 Kelvin. T2 was 327 degrees Celsius and Kelvin would be 600. T1 equals to kinetic energy 1. If we find T2, it would be 2 into T1. So it would doubles the first kinetic energy. So this was all about the lecture. I hope you have understood it well. And thank you so much.